Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go over my most recent ROCKSBOX. As you can probably tell, I haven't felt well. So I haven't felt well all week and I wasn't going to film this week. But I promised myself that I would film once or put a video out once a week for a full year. And again, I was just going to be like, well, I'm sick and I need to take care of myself and rest and blah, blah, blah. But then I'm like resting in bed, scrolling through, and then I see this thing that says you would never put aside, like if you had something due on Friday at work, you would never not do it. But then if you set your own personal goal, you would let that slide. And so then I was like, why am I seeing this right now? And so I felt compelled to like get out of bed and just film something. So I apologize for my voice. This is going to be also a quick video. And if I also seem like I am not like high energy, sorry. All right, let's get started. I don't think when I've done these before that I've actually pulled them out of the box. Like when I get them in the mail, I'm excited and I usually am already looking at them before I film them. So this one is actually you getting my first impressions. This is a new box. They don't usually have this design on the box and I really like it. It's all these like muted fall colors. Oh, I miss fall so much. I'm in Newport Beach, California, so we don't really have a fall. And I'm from New England. I'm from New Hampshire specifically, and I love the fall. All right, so then I just have, like, they just have, like, their jewelry care and all their little packaging thing that they usually, they even put, like, this burnt orange. How much do you love that? So then inside there's like each of these packages. There's 3 of them. Okay, let's go through them. So first one. Okay, it's a necklace. This time around I was so busy. So typically they'll send me an email saying, I got your return, whatever my last box was, we got it, we'll send out your next one. And they let you preview it. So you can actually preview ones that they're going to send you and then swap them out from other ones that are on your wish list. But I was so busy that I never responded and never really did any swapping or anything like that. So they just sent, based off their algorithm, and based off of your wish list, right? They just sent ones they thought I would like. So I absolutely have no idea which ones these are. Oh, I do really like that. Okay, so it's one of those ones that will go around your neck and then come down. Let's go ahead and try. I don't know if I'll be able to do this with my nails or not, and Sean is not here, so let's see. Yeah, I can't get it with my nails, but I will leave it like this so you can kind of get an idea. Look at how pretty that is. And it kind of has, is this a turquoise? Let me see. Yeah, it's like a turquoise. This is really pretty. I'm excited to wear this. It definitely does go pretty deep in the neck. I am always wearing V-necks. So how pretty is that, and dainty and girly with like a cute V-neck? I really like that. So that's the first one. I wonder if they sent me all necklaces. That's wicked funny. Okay, so this is like a stacked necklace, which I do really like the idea of these because I don't know if you've ever tried stacking them, like just having multiples of varying lengths, but then they all get twisted and it looks stupid. So I like it when it's actually one clasp at the end, and then they'll lay correctly. Oh, I really like that. Oh my gosh, am I gonna like all these again? Oh yes. Yeah, I really like that. Let's see, hold on. That is so pretty. I wonder how I will do, I usually don't like choker ones. I don't like anything that's tied around my neck. Like I don't like turtlenecks. I that's why I wear V-necks, because I don't even like the crew necks. So we'll see how I do with the one that's a little farther up. But regardless, it looks really pretty. We'll just see if I'm comfortable in it. I'm sorry if you hear that. It's my chair. I'm in like an old fashioned chair and it squeaks, so my apologies. Sorry, I just had a coughing fit, but I'm back now. Okay. Oh, the last ones are earrings. Earrings are my favorite. I think I've already mentioned that in one of these videos, but I really like just a big statement earring. Even if I wear no other jewelry and just earrings, it's one of my favorite things to wear. Why can't I get this out? Those are really pretty. Let's see how long they are when you have them on, because sometimes sometimes they're like too long, you know? Oh, that's perfect. How pretty is that? Well, overall, I'm a big fan of the ones that I got this time. And they all kind of go together because they're all like this yellow gold, which is pretty cool. And I doubt they planned that out or anything. It's like an algorithm that's based off of stuff that you like. So, well, that's it for this video. And I really appreciate you hanging in there with me. And please give this a like. Especially because I did this while sick and I'm doing this to keep on my goals. So please give it a like and comment down below like a happy face that you actually got to get a video from me this week. And please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.